doing a quick video on cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you my thoughts and views on what's happening right now on crypto via chart, via price action. So we'll start here with the crypto, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin just broke out of this downtrend channel. Show you here. It turned sideways. Now it's trying to reverse. So currently price is trying to hold on to the support area here. So where is the possible resistance areas? Plot the Fibonacci. So here is a possible resistance area that turns support. And if the price hold, the next possible resistance area is around here, around 50,900 to 52,000. So let's see in the coming weeks. So let me show you first the monthly. So here, it's trying to break out from this candle. Now let's go back to the weekly. See, the price consolidated here and was able to break out. And price is trying to hold above 45, 44 to 46 area. Price was oversold the other day, so it needs to pull back for some of the profit takers. See, it went up to 26%. Okay, so before we go to our screener, we go check other big caps. We look at top 10. So ETH, USDT. So here, same with Bitcoin. Price is trying to hold around here. Price support area. Let me put the Fibonacci to map out the possible resistance area. So this is a possible resistance area. And next possible resistance area is around here. So one of the strongest crypto right now is ETH. So here from the bottom here to here went up 40%. See, it broke out of the possible double bottom here. See, and double bottom over here also. So currently, I was able to buy here, and I sold half here. Currently, I'm still holding now my core position here. So actually, I was expecting a pullback somewhere in this area, but ETH was so strong, so it might move up. So I'll wait for another entry to add my position. I'll skip the USDT. We'll go to BNB USDT. BNB USDT. See for BNB USDT. So here it's hovering around the resistance area. So I'm still waiting for a spike move up. And next target resistance is around this area. So some people were able to accumulate here in this resistance turn support area. Next is SQL USDC Solana. Solana. So here, Solana is one of the stronger big cap, crypto big caps. So here, it hasn't pulled back yet. Price is really oversold right now. Overbought, I mean. So there's a resistance area here. If I plot the Fibonacci from here to here, so expect some resistance in this area. So for me, no possible entry for Solana yet. Luna. Luna is one of the strongest stocks. Crypto. It is now moving at an all-time high. Price was able to break out here. I didn't buy here in the pullback because I'm concerned with the possible bearish divergence. Price is moving up, but the RSI is moving down. But I think price was able to invalidate the bearish divergence. You see here. So we'll wait for another entry. We'll wait for it to consolidate or pull back. So that's for Luna. XRP. XRP. Ripple. Ripple still continue to move sideways. If I plot this here, it's out of downtrend area. So it's not yet moving up. Still encountering some resistance here. Price is short-term uptrend. Let's see if we see breakout next week for XRP. Then ADA, Cardano. Oops. Cardano, same week a while ago. It's now at the resistance area. If ever this price pulls back, we might see an entry. I'd like it to pull back maybe in this area. A bit lower. You can buy here. And hopefully it breaks out for a possible head and shoulders. So let's see about Cardano. Let's see next week what's going to do. It might continue to go up or break out next week. If it breaks out, I'll wait for pullback. Then I'll buy at the pullback. AVAX. See, this one is much stronger crypto right now. See here, it's currently at the resistance area. Might see a breakout next week. So same with RSI. Breaks out, we'll wait for the pullback, then we'll buy at the pullback. Okay. Now for my screener, let's run my crypto screener. So 23 cryptos shown. So here, Wave USDT. It's now trading at an all-time high. Yep, it's all-time high. So what we do here, we wait for an entry. But for me, it's a little bit overbought. So might skip this one yet. There's no entry for us. So we'll wait and see. Next one is ZIL. It's not yet all-time high, but it encountered resistance here. It went up too fast, too soon. So for me, I will not touch this yet. But for others who wants to find setup here, we wait for it to bounce, possible bounce. Possible wait here or here. Possible bounce place. If not, we can look for other crypto. Next, TWT. TWT is one of the strongest crypto also. It encountered resistance here. Now it's having trouble breaking out. Let's see. Let's wait for more consolidation. See where it will go. Next is ACM. No setup for me. It's currently overbought. City. City, I was able to buy it here last week, but I sold early. I sold somewhere in this candle. I didn't catch this move. Sold too early. But for now, we'll wait for another setup. Hopefully, it will give us another setup. Next one is Rune. Rune, for me, it's consolidating here. So no setup for us. Porto, it broke out here. And for me, there's no setup right now. We'll wait for it to pull back first and show us another setup. POWR, no setup. JSTU, JST, USDT, so no setup also for this one. Luna, we talked about it earlier. ETC, Ethereum Classic, it moves similar to the Ethereum USDT. So currently consolidating around here. So let's see. FTT. So this one, like this crypto, I bought after the pullback. I was able to bought here this candle, but currently still holding this. It's consolidating. I bought it somewhere at 50. Still holding. So I like tight candles, tight pullbacks. I don't like big moves going down. I prefer small tight pullbacks. Okay. So possible resistance is around in this area. So we still have a potential 25-28% up move upside. My cut loss is somewhere below here in this candle. It's just below the low of this one. So let's see if we're going to get rewarded. Next one is near. It's trading near all-time high. Yeah. Broke out from the consolidation here. And still going up. For me, I'm going to wait for pullbacks. See if they're going to give us entry. STPT, a little bit similar with FTT. No, I think it's not similar because it's around the resistance area, consolidating at the resistance area. So let's see if we're going to break out next week. AUD, skip this. ACA, overbought, no setup for us. BTT, no setup. LOCA, League of Kingdom, is one of the strong crypto. See, it broke out here, it's all-time high. But I don't like the wicks. It shows a liquidity problem. So I might skip this for now. But let's see if it consolidates in a tighter candle. SCRT. This one is now trading at near the resistance area. I was able to buy this one, but I got stopped out here. I placed my stop. I was able to buy here, but as I got stopped out here, I placed my stop loss too tight. I wasn't able to buy back. Now, if ever I have a hold it here, from here, I must have 48% upside. Oh. I wasn't able to buy back here also, the breakout. So lesson learned. XNO is consolidating. See, candles start to get tighter. See next week. BUSD. I don't like this one. AVAX, we're done with here. Last one is GNO. GNO. So it's pulling back. See, unlike FTT, this one have big wicks. It went up. It pulled back up to almost 28%. I don't like this type of candles or this type of move. For me, you need to have need more time to consolidate. If ever the price was consolidating somewhere here, it would be better, but it consolidating somewhere in the middle. Put our Fibonacci. So ideally above 0.38 or above 2.236. So let's see. Okay. So that's it for this week. So thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, just feel free to message me. So our watch list is FTT and ETH, USDT. So hopefully we can get more action again next week for our crypto trades. Okay, thank you. See you guys.